The shortest route, and we're gonna take that. I don't know why. And local markets में decent price आप थोड़ा bargaining करोगे तो वो थोड़ा कम करके दे देंगे. कितनी गर्मी हो रही है यार.
ये थोड़ी है.
मतलब मैंने कुछ नहीं करी है. Anang by bus.
Let's get started.
Hello, good morning. Welcome to the day 2 of Vietnam. Actually show you the breakfast that we had. I had some banana pancakes which were really good. Now we have come to the lake. There's a lake nearby our hotel in Hanoi. We have come to explore that. So I don't really know much about this lake, but we also have thought about shopping a little bit in their local market, like some gifts or something. But yeah, I can see the lake. I'll show you that in a bit. So guys, this which you can see behind me is the lake. It's a really pretty lake around which you can sit. Like so many people are sitting around us and chilling. It's amazing, very nice. So guys, this is the Hoan Kim Lake. Sorry, I've not taken the name in the video, but yeah.
Shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
So guys, we had come to the Nyokson temple, but to go inside there's this ticket that we're not opting for because we have a pickup at 11 o'clock for Ninh Binh. But yeah, there's this lake, the same lake beside the temple, and you can go inside the temple. There's a very pretty bridge also. So yeah, but we have skipped this. You can do it anyways.
And yes, you should.
Hey guys, so we are roaming through the Hanoi market, I guess, local market. And this place is so clean, and it is giving so much international vibes. Look at this side. Oh my god. It's amazing. So guys, our shopping is done. हमने बहुत ज़्यादा शॉपिंग नहीं की, थोड़ी सी की, बट हमको थोड़ा अच्छे रेट में मिल गया.
ये थोड़ी है.
मतलब मैंने कुछ नहीं करी है वैसे, बट या दिस इज द शॉप वी शॉप फ्रॉम. एंड लोकल मार्केट्स में डिसेंट प्राइस, आप थोड़ा बार्गेनिंग करोगे तो वो थोड़ा कम करके दे देंगे. बट या नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक टू आवर होटल, एंड फ्रॉम देयर वी गो टू Ninh Binh.
Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me, don't even try.
Hey guys, so we checked out from our hotel and we got into our taxi. Now we are going to Ninh Binh, so we have rented this car. Ninh Binh from here is 200 kilometers approximately. So it's showing 1 hour and 36 minutes to reach there. So it's gonna be a long journey. See what we're gonna do?
Yep.
Turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta.
Hey guys, so it took us like 2 hours to reach Ninh Binh, and now finally we are we're standing in front of the entrance for Ninh Binh. As you can see, that is Ninh Binh. We're gonna be trying to take a hotel just to keep our luggage, because we have taken our luggage with us. We are gonna be going to Da Nang after this, because why not? I mean, yeah, so we're gonna be going to Da Nang. We'll go to Da Nang by bus. So yeah, but now we're gonna be going to Linh Binh. But let's see.
Calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows.
So guys, now we're gonna be having lunch because it's already 2 o'clock. And we're going to a restaurant called Anne. And my dad is basically booking our bus in which we're gonna be going to Da Nang today. So as we came to the Anne restaurant and we had banh mi, which was good. Different from what we had last time, but it was good. And now we're gonna have coconut ice cream. It's very famous in Vietnam. I've seen coconut ice cream all over internet before coming to Vietnam, so we're gonna try it for the first time. It has already come to Vietnam.
Yeah.
Coconut ice cream. It's basically cubes of ice cream with tender coconut crisps. It's nice. It's very different. These are basically coconut crisps. Good. So I think the food was really good. It was the Anne restaurant, just in front of the Linh Binh station. This is basically the station. It's not the entrance of Linh Binh. I was mistaken. But now we are going to Linh Binh. I've grabbed a taxi.
You just gotta be fearless.
So we finally reached to the place in Linh Binh where we'll go on a boat ride, and from there we'll go to like different caves and temples, and it is 300 VND per person, which is around in Indian
1080 rupees of India. INR.
per person. So there are 3 routes, and the route 2 is the shortest route, and we're gonna take that. I don't know why, but my dad wants to take that route. But yeah, this place is so pretty. You can take so many pictures, but it's also really hot and humid. But yeah, this is the Trang An boat ride. So guys, we are on the boat, and it's a very little boat in which you go, and we're going on the second route. You can literally touch the water here. It's also quite dangerous, I guess. I mean, but the view is amazing. I will go under some caves also. We'll see some temples. So it's gonna be a unique experience. It's gonna take 2.5 hours to complete this boat ride. So yeah.
You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless. Fearless. Once I get in and I put it in drive, ain't no more stopping me.
So guys, we are at our first stop, which is a temple. We don't even know the name of the temple, and it is written you cannot click pictures here, you can't wear short clothes. So we're not going inside, but yeah, the view, just look at the view. Like, doesn't it look surreal? Like, it's so good. We also crossed one cave, but now we have many more to go. Overall, it's a really good experience. I think you should definitely do it. मतलब तुम पानी को हाथ में मार सकते हो यार ऐसे।
Just gotta be
मैं तेरे को ही मार सकता हूँ, sure.
छप 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 छप।
Chop, 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 chop. You right.
You just gotta be fearless.
Guys, we're inside a cave. Can you see? हम दिख ही रहे हैं शायद। बहुत सुंदर cave है। वो तो बस देख ही जा रहा है ऐसे। इतना सुंदर है really सुंदर।
Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right. Get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Overtime. Tell myself to calm down.
This I've seen in so many vlogs.
the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it up louder. This is what you
क्या मस्त, मतलब अनरियल एक्सपीरियंस, अ वेरी यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस. ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस मैंने ज़िंदगी में कभी नहीं किया. तो ये 320 मीटर्स का केव है एंड हम इसके अंदर अभी जाने वाले हैं. ओह माय गॉड. ओके, वाओ, ओह माय गॉड. ओके भाई, मैजिकल यार.
लंबे लोगों के लिए जगह नहीं बनी है.
Guys, this feeling is unnatural. और ये जो है, इसको तुम कैमरा में दिखा के बयान नहीं कर सकते ये क्या है. It's just something else. Wow. Guys, so we are at our next stop, which is like another temple, I guess. And here we have 10 minutes until we go again to the cave. It's like a village. You can take pictures. There's a lot of greenery and trees around. So guys, we are in a hut. It's like they're showing their village culture. Is that your house, mister?
15,000 years ago. I was here.
Corn? Oh wow. See? Is that real?
Yeah,
Is
I
that-
think so.
It's real? So guys, it has been 1 hour and 30 minutes since we are roaming around this. I mean, मेरे को ये एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में क्या ही बोलूँ, जितना बोलूँ उतना कम है भाई. मतलब सामने पूरा व्यू दिख रहा है, हम बोट पे बैठे हुए हैं, साइड में पूरा पानी. लाइक लिटरली हम यहाँ से थोड़ा भी ऐसे हाथ ही ना मार सकते पानी. सो बहुत अलग एक्सपीरियंस है एंड बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. If you come to Vietnam, please come to Ninh Binh and do this. It's amazing.
and I put it in drive. Ain't no more stopping me, don't even try. Controlling the chaos, controlling the vibe. Yeah. It's all the shots that you don't say. You'll never be heard if you don't say. Just gotta get out your own way. Shadows into the fire.
Okay, so guys, boat ride is done and now we have come outside. So यहाँ पे एक ऐसा जगह है जहाँ पे souvenirs मिल रहे हैं, कॉफ़ी मिल रहा है, सब मिल रहा है. So पापा बोल रहे हम स्टारबक्स जाएंगे अभी. तुम मेरे पीछे देख सकते हो स्टारबक्स. मेरे को मन नहीं है, बट पापा इज़ लाइक हम वेकेशन पे आए हैं तो हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. So हाँ चलते हैं. Okay guys, so basically Starbucks was not open. It was closed. So we came to this local place just nearby the lake or the river, whatever. And I ordered an egg coffee, and this is really nice. Iced egg coffee. मेरे पापा को इतना पसंद नहीं आया, बट मेरे को अच्छा लगा.
मैं क्या बोलूँ?
तुम क्या मंगाए हो?
क्या मंगा था ये? हाँ, वियतनामीज क्या था? आइस कॉफ़ी, राइट? मिल्क आइस कॉफ़ी.
उसका तो अच्छा नहीं है.
Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right. Get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment. Turn it up louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
Hello, so we are at this place, Hualu Ancient Street, and we have come to this pizza place because we have heard that pizza is really good in Vietnam. So we've ordered veggie pizza, one pineapple pizza and one mushroom pizza. Not ordered chicken because my mom is very scared that they'll add some pork or beef or like some different meat. But yeah, we also ordered some Coke along with that. We'll have dinner here and then we'll go and get on our bus to go to Da Nang. So our Da Nang bus is gonna be overnight. We're gonna sleep in that bus. And tomorrow morning we'll reach Da Nang, where we'll go to Bana Hills.
You just gotta be fearless.
Mushroom pizza. ऐसे खाता है. यम है, थोड़ा सॉफ्ट है, बढ़िया. पाइनएप्पल पिज्जा भी है.
Ladies and gentlemen.